This is the PineTales Stomach Sleeper Pillow. Why use a flatter pillow when lying on your tummy? Because when you sleep on your stomach with your head turned off to one side, you still want your head to remain in more of a neutral position. And that's not possible when you use a regular big fluffy pillow. So a flat pillow is really ideal and recommended by most physical therapists if you are a stomach sleeper. The PineTales Stomach Sleeper Pillow, it's only 2 inches thick. So it's the perfect compact size for at home or even when you take it with you on your travels, being about 20 inches by 12 inches. And when it gets dirty, just remove this bamboo pillowcase. You can throw it in the washer and you don't need any other pillowcase with this. The inside of this pillow is made from a latex core, which is much better for stomach sleepers compared to memory foam. And that's because it's more bouncy and supportive than foam is, and you won't sink into it. And then deep on the inside inner core of this pillow, it's made of stretchable nylon with hollow fibers. That allows for more airflow and breathability, so you're gonna stay much cooler at night. Okay, let's talk about the function of this pillow. I love using 2 at a time, one under my head and one underneath my hips, and it feels amazing. Another way you can use this if you want is you can roll it up. Since it's a really thin pillow, it's much more easy to roll up. So you can use it as a neck roll or even lumbar support. And lastly, this pillow also works really great as a seat cushion as well, because it's thinner and it's that compact size, and it has a little bit of bounciness from the latex. So I love to use it on my office chair and on my car seat. So that is the PineTales Stomach Sleeper Pillow. Get yours today.